Pierre, give me an update on what you found out.
Well,
So we left it. So we had a lot of issues. We have that. We have the video. So I'm just gonna add this video to the other one.
Fuel pump was worn out on it. Idle, I think we said was like roughly 35.
Mm-hmm.
High RPMs, like giving it some gas, it was probably going 45. It wouldn't go past that. Put the new fuel pump on there, and now we're reaching 65, which is good. It was running like crap, and turned out we had a close for an injector, and one of the injector tips was broken. We don't have that injector here anymore.
We don't have it anymore?
We
Oh,
don't.
shoot.
I got a picture, but you can upload that.
Then send me the picture.
Yeah. So we're gonna.
So it was just literally chipped off, like broken tooth.
Not much. You saw it yourself.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Yeah. It was very, very little. So we'll do that.
But just explain a little bit what was. If it was broken, what was it doing? What was?
It was just dumping fuel into that piston, overfilling it. Overfilling it for sure. We're gonna go ahead and do the injector cups. We got them right here. These are copper D12s. So that's your injector cup.
I think we did a video on injector cups before.
We did on DD15 zone.
So this is the pre-EGR D12.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Same cup for the EGR one.
For the EGR one, but not for the D13 one.
Not for the D13.
Yeah. It's smaller, right?
Yeah.
And we don't have. I wish we had one so we could.
The stainless steel cup so we can compare them.
Yeah.
No, we don't have one right now. You can see these got the built-in crush washer. I guess you can say on the bottom, sealing washer. That seals the compression. You got to be careful because some guys will throw a washer in there. There's a paper. We didn't come in here, but it tells you what to look out on the cup. Mm-hmm. Which ones use a washer, which ones don't. We got the new injector O-rings. 2 of them were replaced, and the one that failed was one that was recently replaced. So
interesting. And those, so these are the original ones that were.
These are original ones, and this
one's replaced. Now.
Yeah. And number 2 was 3 was the one that failed.
Okay. So once we put that back together, it'll be running normally, right? Because that was the only thing that threw you off when you put it back together. Everything was, you started it off.
Yeah, and remember we were trying to do the cutout test, and it wasn't really going through. Yeah. 2 and 3 weren't really cutting out, so we pulled out the injectors. 3 had the broken tip. Gonna possibly replace number 2 as well.
True. But is it possible that 2 was acting out because of 3 was acting out?
Yes, exactly. So that's why I let the customer know, hey, there's a possibility it's going to be 2, but as of right now, it's just 1.
Okay.
So we gave him a heads up. He's aware of it.
Good. Awesome. That's it. We have. I mean, that's something that unexpectedly, a medium-sized job for this engine. But once we solve it,
it all started with some bad fuel. Remember the whole fuel starvation? Well, bad fuel.
I would really want to figure out what actually happened there.
Yeah.
With the fuel, because it was not supposed to look like that.
Remember, he had 2 trucks. They fueled up at the same location, and they both acted up. One, we replaced the filters, and it's running good right now. But this one, it's just older unit.
Okay.
More miles on it.
I think the bad fuel also caused this.
All the vibration from that engine.
Yes, the vibration lost the cover. All right, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, share, and we'll talk to you soon.